A lot of people are freaked out. They hear toilets and tenants about being a landlord. They don't want to do that stuff. Well, I'm doing my first ever toilet repair today. So here we are. That's what we're buying. So here's what we gotta do today. Here's the toilet that's broken. You can see this snapped off right here. So you gotta rip this out and replace it. And that finished in about 30 seconds. There's the new one. And let's see how it works. All good. So that was my first ever toilet repair. Cost me $4 and about 2 minutes to repair. And it was just water, so there was nothing gross about it. I'm kind of surprised I got this service call actually because the guy's never home. He's literally never home. So. Alright, there you go. Demystifying some of the scary myths about being a landlord. Later, guys.